Hello and welcome to Creative Juice Without Pulp. I have some exciting news. I have made a SkillShare course and it's all about logo design. It's called Logo Design Efficiently and it's about how you can create a full logo presentation in only 1 hour. And that's from receiving the email to sending the email back to sending an email to the client with 5 custom logos in there, including mock-ups and everything. So it's a really succinct course. It's 30 minutes, and then that also includes a link to a YouTube video, which is 1 hour long, where I actually show you a real example of me sitting down with an actual client brief and doing the full logo design presentation in 1 hour. I really recommend the course, so before I just keep talking about it, let's watch the trailer. And you know what, just to make things more interesting, let's do a reaction video where I react to my own trailer, which I've already seen 1,000 times because I made the trailer. Hey, so there are dozens of courses aimed at helping you grow your graphic design skills and create better logos. That's true. However, this course focuses on creating effective logos as efficiently as possible. So if you're an employed graphic designer or freelance logo design services, this course is aimed at helping you create an amazing logo presentation in only 1 hour, from start to finish. We will create a range of different logos for different industries, and I'll show you the methodology behind logo design, the brainstorming, the creation, and the presenting of the logo. For my graphic design services, I offer logo design packages with 5 custom logos in a presentation. I'll show you how to go from reading the client's brief to a complete logo presentation in, again, only 1 hour. In this course, we won't be looking at brands like Coca-Cola or Apple, but small businesses that as a graphic designer you're likely to work with in your career. Not saying that you won't work with Apple, but the small businesses we'll work with include a dog grooming service, car cleaning service, barbecue cooking class, coffee shop, and more. This course is aimed at showing you how to deconstruct the client's needs quickly in order to turn around well-made designs by simply understanding the key components of the brief. This course is perfect for beginner logo designers looking to start their career and get an understanding of the basics of logo design concepts. But this course also evolves for experienced logo designers to help become more efficient in the process of designing a logo. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to create a full logo presentation in only 1 hour. This means you can complete more projects per day because you know how to properly understand and execute the design project. My name is Elliot and welcome to Logo Design Efficiently. I don't know about you, but that looks very exciting. Obviously, it's kind of biased coming from me, but there's a link in the bio if you already have SkillShare, so you click on that and then you go straight to the course. Or if you don't have SkillShare, I also have another link in the bio, which is a link to sign up to SkillShare. And I hope you like it. SkillShare is great as a whole as well, so if you don't have SkillShare, I highly recommend it. There's other great courses on there, but right now I'm not going to talk about them, am I? I'm going to talk about my course. I really recommend that you check it out. Okay, bye, thanks, bye.